Got leftover bread? Don't throw it away. Let's turn it into a soft, delicious and easy to make leftover bread pudding. This leftover bread pudding is soft, moist and packed with flavor. Hello, my name is Nahida and welcome to my channel Enoven Recipes. Let's start. Take 5 slices of bread and break them into small pieces. If you want a healthier option, use whole wheat bread and jaggery instead of sugar. Add 1 cup of milk and let the bread soak. Mash well until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 egg, 1/3 cup sugar, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Add the soaked bread mixture and mix well. For extra moisture, add a little butter to the batter for a richer texture. Sift in half cup flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything until smooth. For a sweeter taste, add raisin, chocolate chips or caramel syrup. Grease 6-inch mold with oil and place a baking paper. Pour the batter into the mold. Sprinkle some roasted nuts on tops. Preheat a pan with a wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside, cover and cook for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Let it cool before slicing. Eggs and milk help in muscle growth. Vanilla and baking soda aid in easy digestion. A great way to use leftover bread. Good source of energy. Carbs from bread and milk keep you energized. Nuts add healthy fats and essential nutrients. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and follow Enoven Recipes for more quick and tasty dessert. See you in the next recipe.